Finally, the 8x10 box camera build is complete, and I put it to the test. Initially, what had inspired me to build an 8x10 box camera was the paper reversal process. Working with a 4x5 was okay, but I just saw it bigger. The first box camera build was made specifically for paper negatives. At this time, I was still engaged with the cyanotype process, and then I started to think if I would be able to make it a dual-purpose box camera for both paper negatives and the cyanotype process. It will be a little bit tricky because with paper negatives, you don't want to have a hole that's too big, and with the cyanotype process, you don't want to have a hole that's too small. So, in thinking it through, I figured why not use a graphic lens that would be able to give me a small aperture if needed and a large aperture if needed. So here you have it, the final and complete 8x10 box camera build.